What's up, y'all? It's Mr. Eckert. Wearing my scarf, enjoying the winter holidays. Okay, the video here is your first lesson. I think I say it at the end of the video. This is due the first day we get back, but I'm willing to give you some extra credit if you email it to me. Give me a call if you have any questions, and also just below the link that takes you to this video, on my website is also a link for some graph paper. You're going to need some graph paper for this lesson. So again, any questions, give me a call. I miss you guys. I hope you're having a great vacation and enjoy the holidays. Look forward to seeing you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be working on here is Eckert's backyard. And we studied this before we left for break. And you'll remember my backyard had to be in a rectangular shape up against my house. And I'm just going to give you one example. If this was 100, then we knew that this side was also going to be 100. And we had a total of 500 feet. So that means we are going to subtract 2 times 100. Because here's 100 here, here's 100 here, there's 2 of them. So that's actually 500 minus 200. Comes out to 300, which means we have 300 left here. And then to find the area, we would do 100 times 300, and that equaled 30,000. And this is in feet, and this is feet squared. Okay, so using this basic information, if we had a backyard that looked like this, well then obviously we know if this is x also. And we know to find the other side we would do 500 minus 2 times x. And since we can't combine a number and variables, our answer would be 500 minus 2x. So this side here is 500 minus 2x. Excuse me. So to get the area, we're going to do length, which is x, or actually that's width, times length, 500 minus 2x. We're going to use a little distributive property here. So we got 500x minus 2x squared, because x and x gives us x squared. Then we're just going to change the order of that. Negative 2x squared plus 500x. So your assignment is going to be to graph all of the values that we came up with in our chart. I'm going to write that down. Assignment. Graph all the values we came up with for Eckert's backyard. And I'm going to give you a little, not a hint, but a little bit of information here. Remember, we counted by tens. And you'll remember the area went up, and then it hit a maximum, and then it went down. And let me show you a little bit what we got going on here. So I'm going to zoom in a little. And right here we got the area formula, which I just showed you. And here are all the values, counting by 10, but you're going to see I left some blank. So if you have that information with you, that's great. You'll be able to fill that in. And if not, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do some math using the formula. So let's see if we can zoom out all the way. Okay, so I'll move it up. So here's the formula up here, counting from 10 all the way up to, that gets us to 150. And as you can see, from 150 down to 240, I left almost everything blank. Not everything, but almost. Remember, you can pause this video so you can copy down these values. And finally, here's what I want your graph to look like. So, side length on the bottom in feet, counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And area on the side, counting by 1,000s, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So you've got your graph, and you are going to take all of these values. You're going to fill these in. You need to figure these out. You need to figure out what these are. You're going to fill this whole graph in, and then you are going to graph the entire thing on this chart. So this will be collected first day we get back, and I will give you a little bit of extra credit if you email the graph to me and if it's done correctly. Okay? Good luck to you.